Hi, my name is Sagar. It's our group presentation on communication strategies of Coles and McDonald's. We are from Group Sydney 005 and these are our team members. In the introduction, we have chosen McDonald's as an international company and Coles Supermarket as a domestic company. Both have been in operation for 2 decades and they have a great experience in their field, and we have a detailed analysis of this in our group assignment. We have focused on their common communication strategies, and we have get some key findings here, which are non-electronic communication strategies. We have done SWOT analysis. We have done assessment and comparison of communication practices, and we have done electronic strategies. And let's move to the first one, non-electronic communication strategies. Some of the key findings of non-electronic communication strategies used by the McDonald's and Coles are as follows. One is the physical meetings. Face-to-face interactions are the main form of non-electronic communication, which both companies understand the importance of personal engagement. In both companies, managers and supervisors in each of their respective locations are engaged in in-person discussion to attain, understand, and achieve team and company goals to build a good and strong coordination. And the second one is employee skill development and training program. Skill development program and employee training program are cornerstone of any non-electronic communication adopt, adopted by these companies. Uh, Understanding between the existing and new employee and developing a good communication relationship between the new and the existing employees, and facilitating continuous learning and development among employees helps to foster understanding and knowledge of the employees, which is also adopted by the McDonald's and Coles. Another one is the customer feedback forms. These forms offers a tangible way for the customer to express their experience, ideas, suggestions, or complaints, which is analyzed and acted by the review of the customer by this company to make their improvements. Another one is the supplier meeting. Both companies often maintain close relationships with their suppliers as a McDonald's and Coles. McDonald's need the raw meat from the suppliers, and they both have a good coordination for their mutual benefit. And another one is the signboards used in their business, such as posters, menu boards, offer, and promotional displays. These are also non-electronic form of communication strategies used by this company. And another one is the public relation event. It is also another form of non-electric communication strategy adopted by these two giant companies, which helps to connect with the public and build a positive image as product launching programs, charity initiatives, and community cleanup projects, and various social works. This much about my part, and thank you.
Hi, my name is Arvind Khatka from Group Assignment Sydney 005 with student ID BCM2360. Today I am here to discuss about the SWOD analysis of McDonald's International Fast Food Company and Coles Supermarket National Company. Overall on communication method and practice, SWOD analysis is a strategic planning tool used to evaluate the strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats of a business, project, or individual. So firstly, I'm about to discuss the strength of both company. So both company are a big brand with a high reputation, where McDonald's is recognized globally and Coles Supermarket is a local company. Both company with strong brand identity enables to communicate successfully with a wide audience. Secondly, the weakness is negative perception of public on both brands. This issue can undermine effective communication, also employee relationship. Negative employee relation can be a significant weakness in communication strategy. Now, the opportunities. The adoption of new communication technology and data analytics can help both companies to personalize communication further and target specific customer segment effectively. Now, lastly, the threats. Social media, backlash, or negative incident and controversies can quickly go viral on social media, posing a big threat to the company reputation and communication strategies. Also, economic downturn can lead to reduced consumer spending, affecting the value of companies' marketing and communication effort. In conclusion, both companies are strong brand and integrated marketing approach, but faces a lot of challenges related to communication methods and practices. So both company needs to focus in addressing threats such as health consciousness, social media backlashes, economic instability in its communication strategy. It helps company to communicate properly. That's all for today. Thank you.
Hello, I am Susalman Srestha. I am doing my presentation on the topic of assessing and comparing communication practices of McDonald's and Coles. McDonald's and Coles, two prominent Australian companies, prioritize communication in their operations. However, their approaches to internal and external communication differ, reflecting their distinct corporate cultures and industry needs. And the internal communications of McDonald's are McDonald's top-down approach, employee handbook, crew room meetings, and online portal. And the internal communication of Coles are top-down and bottom-up approach, employee handbook, store meetings, and Coles intranet. And the external communication of McDonald's are focused on building a strong brand image, advertising, social media, and public relations. And the external communication of Coles are focused on promoting products and building trusted retailer reputation, advertising, social media, and public relations. And the comparison of communication practices of McDonald's are top-down communication. McDonald's relies heavily on a top-down structure while Coles encourages bottom-up communication. And the comparison of communication practices of McDonald's and Coles are the external communication focuses. McDonald's emphasizes building a strong brand image, whereas Coles concentrate on product promotion and trustworthiness as a retailer. And the overall assessment of both McDonald's and Coles have effective communication practices tailored to their respective business environments. And McDonald's top-down approaches suits it fast-paced industry, while Coles emphasis on bottom-up communication ensures employees have a voice. Both companies employ a diverse range of channels for the internal and external communications, contributing to their success in the Australian market.
In the conclusion, our examination of the business communication strategies of these companies have experience of more than 20 years highlights the importance of well-established communication practices. In business, both companies prioritize non-electronic means of communication in this dynamic digital world, which helps in adaptation of modern needs of the customer and sustaining their business. Both companies are focused on good communication, especially with customers, and have demonstrated a commitment to building a strong relationship and a positive image through various communication strategies such as physical meeting, customer feedback, employee training, development, etc. to elevate their communications barrier in their evolving business and to achieve their business goal. Thank you.